In this video, we aim to share 8 practical tips designed to help you achieve success more rapidly. These insights are particularly valuable for beginners and aspiring entrepreneurs, as they provide a roadmap to navigate challenges effectively. By implementing these actionable strategies, you can expect to see quicker results and a more efficient path to your goals. It's crucial to focus on identifying real problems rather than waiting for the perfect idea to strike. Problem solving can be a powerful source of inspiration. For instance, consider developing an app that addresses parking challenges. By concentrating on tangible issues, you'll find that innovative ideas naturally emerge, leading to impactful solutions and opportunities. Starting a business doesn't require a significant financial investment. You can begin with minimal resources, such as launching a pet sitting service. This approach allows for gradual growth and expansion over time. Emphasizing simplicity in the initial stages can lead to success, proving that you can build a thriving business without overwhelming costs. To stand out in a crowded market, it's essential to specialize in a niche. This means going deeper into a specific area, like a gym that caters exclusively to seniors. By focusing on unique angles for your business ideas, you can differentiate yourself, attract a dedicated audience, and ultimately achieve greater success. Prioritizing customer desires over personal preferences is vital for success. For instance, a chef must focus on creating dishes that satisfy diners rather than just their own tastes. Conducting market research helps you understand your audience better. Ultimately, success stems from serving the needs of others. Ensuring customer satisfaction remains at the forefront of your business. Believing in yourself is crucial for achieving your goals. Just like athletes who persevere through setbacks, your self-belief can propel you forward despite challenges. Embrace a positive mindset, as it fuels resilience and determination. Remember, confidence in your abilities is a powerful catalyst for success, enabling you to overcome obstacles and reach your aspirations. Charging higher prices for fewer customers can be highly beneficial. For example, handmade jewelry often employs premium pricing, allowing artisans to earn more while working less. This approach emphasizes value over volume, leading to increased profits with a smaller client base. Consider adopting similar pricing strategies to enhance your business's sustainability and profitability. Creating urgency can significantly enhance productivity. Deadlines drive efficiency in task completion. For instance, setting a time limit to clean your garage can motivate you to finish quickly. By challenging yourself with time constraints, you can boost focus and effectiveness, transforming daunting tasks into manageable projects that yield satisfying results in less time. It's essential to prioritize tasks that align with your goals, emphasizing the importance of working smart, not just hard. Imagine running in the wrong direction. No matter how fast you go, you won't reach your destination. Evaluate your projects regularly to ensure they align with your objectives, maximizing your efforts for meaningful progress. To recap, we discussed 8 essential tips for achieving success faster, highlighting the importance of taking action on these insights. Remember, implementing these strategies can significantly impact your journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others to access more valuable content and continue your path to success.